Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to do a simple example to illustrate the trigger dot of new. So as I already told you that trigger dot of new will return you the list of the new version of the records, and it is only available in the before triggers and only for insert and update operations. So that is what the trigger.new is for. So let's go ahead and do an example in which we are going to use this trigger dot of new. So let's say for this products, for the products, we have the standard object known as products, and the products have some products name. These are some of the existing products, and products have this products code. Now let's say anytime we insert a new product, we want to make sure that this product code should have XYZ in the gets appended to the product code. So before you save the new record, we want you to update this product code with the XYZ dash. So this is I want to do. So anytime you try to insert a new record, we will add XYZ in the beginning of that product. So how are we going to do that? So we will first create a trigger. Let's go to Object Manager and search for product. Scroll down to triggers. Create a new trigger. And let's say the name for the trigger is change the product code. It is on this object, and what is the event when we want to fire this trigger? Before insert. So anytime the new product is inserted, this trigger will be fired. So inside of this trigger, we are creating a list. It will store the product, and the name for the list is product list. And what this list will have? Trigger.new. Trigger.new, as you already know, that is going to have the new version of the records which are yet to be saved to the database. So the newer version of the records. This is what the trigger.new will return. This product list can contain one record or it can contain more than one record. So we are assuming that this product list contains more than one record. So what we are going to do is we are iterating over the records available in this. First we'll go ahead and iterate over every record available in this product list. And for each of those records, for each of those product records, we will, if we want to make sure if the product code is not equals to null, product code is not equals to null, and is also not empty. If the product code is not equals to blank, then in what that case, what I want to do is I want to append, or I wanted to use XYZ in the front of the product code. So I'm going to say XYZ dash, then whatever will be the product code is, plus product. So now what we are going to do is we are going ahead and hit the save button. So it's already active. So what we have here is we are iterating here. We are iterating over. So first thing is what we are doing is we are using Trigger.New. Trigger.New will give you the new year versions of the record. And we are iterating over this product list. And if the product is not equals to null and is also not blank, it's not blank. Now what we are doing is we are adding XYZ in the beginning of that product code. So this is what the trigger will have, and this trigger will fire anytime you insert a new product record. Not for the existing, we are not doing updating, we are doing an insert. So anytime you insert a new product, this is what's going to happen. This trigger will get fired. So if I go to the product and if I try to add a new product, so we can say OnePlus earbuds, and let's say the product code is REF. So this is the product code. So now what will happen is once you hit the save button, automatically the trigger will get fired, and if this REF code is not equals to null or blank, then it will add this XYZ dash in the beginning of that product code. Similarly, if I go ahead and click the new again, and the product name is, let's say, Samsung, and the product code is FT, and then hit the save button, then automatically the trigger will get fired before the record is saved into the database. This code, the XYZ dash will get added to this product code. So this is what the Trigger.New is. So Trigger.New is only available for the insert and update operations and only for before triggers. And it will return you the new year version of the records. So this is an example related to Trigger.New. So let's meet in next tutorial. Till then, have a good day. Bye.